Assalamu alaikum dear students. Yesterday we discussed geometrically the conic sections, the definition of conic sections. Now today we will discuss uh, those conic sections one by one but analytically. Now what is circle? The first one is circle. A locus of points in plan which are equidistant from a fixed point. That is, circle is a set of points in plan which moves in such a way that the distance of these points from a fixed point remains constant. Like if we consider this here, p1, p2, p3, these are infinitely many points. When these points move in this plan, the distance of these points from a fixed point, say for example c, is constant. So this set of whole points is called as the circle, or they traces out a circle. Now this fixed point is called as the center of circle, while as this distance, which is constant, or this distance is called as the radius of circle. Here the distance of these points, say for example if we have point p1, then distance between cp1 equals to cp2, where p2 is another point, is cp3 equals to radius. Now how to derive the equation of circle? Now consider a circle with center in plane with coordinates hk, because any point in plane is of the form of xy, which implies that this fixed point has coordinates of the form of xy. Let's assume that hk be its center and radius is r. This means that the constant distance is r. Now let p of x y be any arbitrary point on it. This means that it is the it's the locus of points, means there are infinitely many points. So these points are of the form of p of xy, which implies that distance between p and this center is r. Using distance concept, because coordinates of p are xy, coordinates of c are hk, so using the distance formula we simply get under root of h minus k x minus h square plus y minus k square equals to r, or squaring both sides we simply get x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. So this is the required equation of the circle with center hk and radius equals to r. Now if the center of the circle is at origin, means coordinates of the center are 0 and 0. This means h is 0, r is 0. On substituting in this, we simply get h square plus y square is equal to r square, because h is 0, k is 0. Now if r is 1, that very circle is called as the unit circle. So unit circle is simply that circle whose radius is 1 unit. Now from equation first, that is this general equation, we can simply expand this as, because by expanding x minus h whole square and y minus k whole square, we get x square plus h square minus 2hx plus y square plus k square minus 2ky equals to r square. This 2 represents the same circle, because this is, so simply we can say that the equation in two variables with degree 2 represents this circle. Like find the equations, find the this center and radius of the circle. X square plus y square plus 8x plus 8y minus 8 equals to 0. Now we will arrange these terms, that is x square plus 8x, y square minus 8y equals to 0. Now we can write this as x square plus this 8 can be written as 2 into 4. Similarly, this 8 of which is the coefficient of y can be written as minus 2 into 4y equals to 8. Now in order to make this term, which is in parenthesis, a complete square, we have to add and subtract 4 square. Similarly in this we have to add and subtract 4 square. So this means that here this term in this parenthesis is x square 2yx plus y square minus 4y square can be written as x plus 4 whole square minus 16, because this 4 with coefficient equals to minus it is minus 16. Similarly, this can be written as y minus 4 square minus 16 equals to 8. Or we can simply write x plus y whole square plus y minus y whole square equals to 40, because 16 equals to 32. When on transferring to this RHS, we simply get plus 32 and plus 8, which is 40. Or simply we can write x square plus y square whole square, x plus y whole square plus y minus y whole square equals to, this 40 can be written as under root of 40 ka whole square. So on comparing with h, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square, we get h equals to minus 4, k equals to 4, r equals to root 40. Hence, the center of this circle is HK, which implies that it is minus 4 minus plus 4, and radius is root 40. Now, question number like example second is, find the equation of a circle whose center is given and whose radius is given. That is, HK is given and R is given. Now here general form is, or the equation of circle is, x minus h whole square y minus k whole square equals to r square. Here h is minus a, k is minus b, r is root a square minus b square. On substituting, we simply get x square plus x plus a whole square plus y plus b whole square equals to a square minus b square. Now find, here given equation is x 2y x square plus 2y y square minus x equals to 0. We have to find its center as well as its circle in this radius. Now here the coefficient of x square and y square is 2. Always make coefficient of x square and y square unity. That is, we have to divide the coefficient if it is, without 1, that is, suppose the quotient of x square and y square is not 1 and it is non-zero number, then we have to simply divide throughout equation by that very number. That is, here coefficients are 2 and 2, which implies we have to divide this equation throughout by 2. So simply we get x square plus y square minus 1 upon 2x equals to 0. Now arranging these terms, it is x square minus 1 by 2x plus y square. Now here minus 1 by 2 can be written as 2 into 1 by 4, because by cancelling 2 in denominator we get 1 upon 2. So it is x square minus 2y 1 upon 4x. Here it is 1 by 4, because a plus b whole square is a square minus a minus b whole square can be written as a square minus 2ab plus b square, which implies that here we have to add 1 upon 4 whole square and we have to subtract the same 1 upon whole square, because by making the term in parenthesis in first term, that is first two terms, a complete square, we have to add 1 upon 4 square and we have to subtract it by 1 upon 4 square, which is 1 upon x, which is x minus 1 upon 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equals to 1 upon 4 whole square. Or simply its radius is, because it is in general form, or is 1 upon 4 and center is 1 upon 4 0. Now question number 10 of exercise, this first exercise of this circles is, find the equation of circle passes through 2 points 4 1 and 6 5 and whose center lies on this line 4x plus y equals to 16. General form of this equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. Since it passes through 2 points 4 1 and 6 5, this means that this equation, given equation, should satisfy, these points should satisfy this equation first, which implies that we have to replace this x by 4 and y by 1 in this, which implies that 4 minus h whole square plus 1 minus k whole square equals to r square. Or simply after simplification we simply get h square k square minus 8h minus 2k equals to r square minus 17. Similarly, point second, that is 6 5, satisfies this lies on this, which implies that x equals to 6 y equals to 5 should satisfy equation first. Hence When we substitute the value x equals to 6 and y equals to 5, we get h square k square plus k square minus 12h minus 10k equals to r square minus 61. Name it equation third. Also, it is given that the center, which is hk, lies on the line 4x plus y equals to 16, which implies that it should satisfy the given equation. So this means that substitute x equals to h, y equals to k in fourth, we get this equation, that is 4k plus k 4h plus k equals to 16. Now from second, third and fourth, we have three equations, we have three variables. One is h, second one is k, third one is r. So from these three equations, when on solving these, we simply get h equals to 3, k equals to 4, r equals to root 10. So this means that its center is 3 4, its radius is root 10. So when on putting h, k and r in equation first, we get the equation of circle. So inshallah, and tomorrow we will discuss few more problems of this type. So thank you.